If your Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones are not connecting to your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through every method that works, starting with the fastest fix and ending with a full reset if nothing else works. Step 1. Check other connected devices. Your Sony XM4 may already be connected to your laptop, iPad, or another phone nearby. When that happens, the iPhone often cannot find the headphones. Turn off Bluetooth on your other devices, then power the headphones off and back on. After that, try connecting them to the iPhone again. Sony says the headphones often reconnect automatically to the last device they used. Step 2. Enter pairing mode correctly. Many people only turn the headphones on, but never actually put them into pairing mode. Press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear Bluetooth pairing and the blue light flashes repeatedly. If you only hold the button for 2 seconds, the headphones simply turn on and your iPhone may never see them. Step 3. Forget the headphones and pair again. If your XM4 headphones used to work but suddenly stopped connecting, the old Bluetooth data on your iPhone may be corrupted. Go to Settings, Arrow, Bluetooth, tap the I next to WH-1000XM4, then choose Forget this device. After that, put the headphones back into pairing mode and pair them again from scratch. Step 4. Move the headphones closer. Keep the headphones and iPhone within about 3 feet or 1 meter of each other while pairing. If the headphones are too far away or there are many other Bluetooth devices nearby, the connection may fail or keep dropping. Sony recommends staying close during the pairing process. Step 5. Restart the iPhone. Sometimes the problem is not the Sony XM4 headphones at all. Bluetooth on the iPhone can freeze or glitch. Turn Bluetooth off, restart the iPhone completely, then turn Bluetooth back on and try connecting again. This often fixes temporary Bluetooth problems. Step 6. Reset the Sony XM4. If the headphones still refuse to connect, perform a reset. Turn the headphones off, then press and hold both the power button and the custom button together for around 7 seconds. Keep holding until the indicator flashes several times. This clears temporary bugs without deleting everything saved on the headphones. Step 7. Factory reset the headphones. If none of the earlier fixes work, do a full factory reset. A factory reset removes every paired device stored inside the headphones. After the reset, the XM4 will behave like a brand new pair of headphones, so you can connect them to your iPhone again from the beginning. Sony recommends doing this if the headphones still will not appear after repeated pairing attempts. Step 8. Update the Sony firmware. If your Sony XM4 connects sometimes but keeps disconnecting, the firmware may be outdated. Download the Sony Headphones Connect or Sony Sound Connect app on your iPhone and check for updates. Sony has released updates over time to improve Bluetooth reliability and connection issues.